The Research Assistant is a new feature in the library's Discovery service that uses AI to quickly identify and summarize relevant sources for your research. Here's how to use it. You can find the Research Assistant on the menu bar in Discovery. Once you select it, ask a research question. You may have learned that it is best to use keywords instead of full questions when searching in library resources, and that is generally true, but the Research Assistant is designed to use questions, similar to other AI tools you may have used. When you ask your question, you can apply resource type and date filters if you wish. The Research Assistant will scan through millions of actual sources and identify the 5 sources it thinks are most relevant for your question. It will also provide an AI-generated summary of these sources, with in-text citations so you can tell which claims are from which source. Clicking on a source or in-text citation will show more about that source, including the abstract. Abstracts come from the articles themselves and are not AI-generated. All sources used by the Research Assistant are real sources, and many are available immediately in full text through the library, but some may only be available at CFC through request. You can request these sources through Interlibrary Loan or Pascal if they seem especially useful. If the sources and summary provided by the Research Assistant aren't quite what you were hoping for, you can try again. You can also try the suggested questions at the bottom of the screen. The Research Assistant can be a good starting point, but in most cases, you won't want to stop here. Some providers do not allow their content to be used by the Research Assistant, so important sources may be missing, or you may simply need more sources. Use View More Results from your library search to perform a more traditional, full discovery search. Looking at these additional results is a good way to find more sources and see what the Research Assistant may have missed. You can also see the search terms used by the Research Assistant. This can help you learn how to construct your own searches. Do you have questions about using the Research Assistant or doing library research? Make an appointment with a librarian. Until then, happy researching.